Yoga. Yoga is a great activity for you. If you have diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or heart disease, it gives you strength, flexibility, and mind body awareness. You will also need to do something like walking, biking, or swimming if you are not doing a fast moving type of yoga. However, you can practice yoga around 3 to 5 times a week. This gives you adequate time for rest. Rest is crucial to recover, get stronger, and maintain your health. Speaking of rest, it is okay to take an entire week off from time to time. Yoga also makes you feel better. Practicing the posture, breathing exercise, and meditation makes you healthier in body, mind, and spirit. Yoga also improves muscle tone, flexibility, strength, and stamina. Yoga also help you to reduce your stress level. According to research, yoga stress boosting power may come from ability to lessen the activity of proteins that are known to play a role in inflammation, increased flexibility. No rocket science. More you stretch your muscles, the more flexibility to become. Yoga can burn your calories between 180 and 460 depending on several factors including the type of yoga you are doing, the length and intensity of the class. One study also suggests people with depression have lower serotonin level. Yoga is also especially helpful because of its gentle, calming and fluid nature. Each pose is flexible so people of all levels can practice. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.